Let's move on to our next vocabulary word, which is drudgery. Okay, again, this is an intermediate level vocabulary word, and I have chosen this from chapter 7 of David Copperfield, which I read to you the other day. And this adjective, yes, it's an adjective here. This adjective is something boring, something tedious, something that is repetitive that you do all the time and you hate it. That's what drudgery is. So usually you use drudgery to talk about the things you do every day that you hate, that you don't like. Maybe mopping the floor or cleaning the house or washing your car or your laundry. Things you have to do but you don't want to do them, you don't like it. That's drudgery. So it's something you do all the time and something that's boring that you really don't like. So let's practice using this in a sentence. Here is a situation. Lucy needs a vacation. Lucy needs a vacation. Let's change this into a passive voice sentence. In other words, let's focus on vacation and not Lucy. A vacation is needed. A vacation is needed. Now let's make a why question. Why? Why is a vacation needed? Why is a vacation needed? Why is a vacation needed? And here's the answer. To escape the boring everyday routine of life. Okay, so that could be driving to work. It could mean getting coffee in the morning. Any boring thing that maybe you don't like to do, but you do it every day or all of the time. A vacation is needed to escape the daily boring routine. Okay, now we could be very fancy about this, and we can say, and this sounds very fancy and high level. This is bringing your English up a level. To escape the drudgery of life. To escape the drudgery of life. A vacation is needed to escape the drudgery of life. And that drudgery means all those things you do every day that you hate. A vacation is needed to escape the drudgery of life. Let's try another example. Okay, John is in the office, but he volunteered to go out and visit some clients. So John, let's use this sentence. John visited clients. John visited clients. Now let's make a passive voice sentence with John visited clients. Clients were visited. Clients were visited. Now let's make a why question with that sentence. Why? Why were clients visited? Why were clients visited? And here's the answer. John wanted to escape the boring routine in the office. Answering phones, walking from desk to desk, talking to people in the office he doesn't like. Okay, these are things he does every day, but he hates it. So we can say to escape the drudgery of the office. Clients were visited to escape the drudgery of the office. And drudgery are those everyday things that you do that you hate, that you don't like. Clients were visited to escape the drudgery of the office. All right, let's move on to our next vocabulary word, which is to wind up.